Hey, what's up guys? We got here 2021 Chevy Tahoe. I'm going to show you guys here how to set it up for brake replacement in the rear. Whether you're doing pads or rotors or both. To get to it, what you have to do is you got to put the rear in brake pad maintenance mode. And what that does is it retracts the electronic portion on the brakes, which is the parking brakes. So that way you can push the piston all the way back. If you don't do this, then you won't be able to retract the piston all the way back and your pads aren't going to fit. So we got to put it in a brake pad maintenance mode first. And normally for a lot of cars you need a computer. You need one of those fancy computers that gets into the brake system. For this we could do it without a computer, so this one's nice and easy. They finally thought about us once and for all. Alright, so first what we want to do is we want to start the car. And when you start the car, keep holding your foot on the brake pedal. And then while you're holding the foot on the brake pedal, what you're going to do is over here to the left on this car. And this is going to work for all your Chevys and GMCs from 2019, I believe, all the way up to 2022, 2023. So we got the car started. We're still holding the brake pedal. Hit this parking. This is your parking brakes when you set it on and off. Hit that and hold it pressed until you see the light flashing over here on the dash. Probably takes about 10 seconds. You see that parking light flashing there with the wrench? After we see that, we let go of the brake pedal. We're too slow on it. So let's try that again, because we got to do this at pretty quickly. But while I was trying to explain, it didn't quite work. Let me see, I think I got to deactivate the parking brake first. So you see that? The parking light's still on it. So hold your brake pedal, hit that button again, and you see that's off. So now we'll turn the car back off, and then we'll start it back up again. Hold your foot on the brake pedal, hold this button here for 10 seconds until it starts flashing on the dash here. And then when you see that flashing on the dash, you want to take your foot off the brake pedal and you just want to click that button just once. So we got that, foot off the pedal, hit the button once. And you see parking brake released. And you'll also be able to hear it in the back there. If you guys want to hold the door open or have somebody sit in the back there to listen to the motor being deactivated and releasing back, that way you know for sure. But if you see that light on there still flashing, that means that it's in maintenance mode. So now what you can do is shut off the car, and then you guys can go about doing the brakes in the back. Push the piston all the way back. Once you put everything back together, come back in the car, and you're gonna pump your brake pedal. Make sure it's nice and firm. And now, if you could see, when we start it, we're still gonna have that light flashing over there on the left. That means that it's still in brake maintenance mode in the rear there. So to get rid of that and put everything back normal, what we do is we're gonna get in the car, we're gonna start it, hold your foot on the brake pedal, and then once we see that flash, and what we do is we hold this for 10 seconds again, and that'll put it back in a normal mode. There you go. Now the light's gone, we're back to normal, and you guys can continue on now. So yeah, if you guys are looking to do your brakes in the back and you got a Chevy or a GMC that's 2019 up to 2022, follow this video. You guys won't need any fancy computers to get the job done. And good luck with it, guys. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.